If your Inogen G5 displays a Change Sieve Beds icon, there's no need to worry. Your concentrator is still operating normally. This message is simply a reminder that the sieve column is approaching the end of its service life and should be replaced within the next 30 days. To order a replacement sieve column, contact our service department at 1-866-696-9558. We'll make sure your replacement arrives in plenty of time so there's no interruption to your oxygen therapy. Replacing the sieve column is quick and easy and no tools are required. First, power off your concentrator and remove the battery. Allow the unit to sit undisturbed for approximately 15 minutes. This gives any internal pressure time to dissipate, making the sieve columns easier to remove. The sieve column features a built-in handle. To remove it, push the retaining latch away from the column to release it. Then lift the handle and pull the column straight out of the concentrator. Your replacement sieve column will arrive with protective caps covering the connector ports. Leave these caps in place until you're ready to install the new column to prevent dirt or moisture from entering the connections. When ready, remove and discard all 4 protective caps. To install the new column, align the 2 tabs on the bottom of the column with the connection ports inside the concentrator. Gently slide the column into place until it sits flush with the bottom of the unit and the retaining latch clicks securely into place. The column should slide in easily, never force it. Once the new column is installed, reinsert the battery. But don't power on the concentrator just yet. First, you'll need to reset the sieve column life alert. To reset the alert, connect the concentrator to AC power. With the unit plugged in, press and hold the plus and minus buttons simultaneously. After approximately 5 seconds, the sieve bed icon will appear on the display. Release the plus and minus buttons, then press the alarm button, which is marked with a bell symbol. A check mark should appear over the sieve bed icon, confirming that the reset was successful. Your concentrator is now ready to power on and use as normal. If you have any questions or need assistance, our service team is here to help. Call us at 1-866-696-9558.